7th PSSA blast today. So all the information that you have to know is up here. So this one's worth 4 points, 3 points for the PSSA rubric. The last point this time is going to be for a clear organization. So we're going to go through this now just to get the basics down. So the question is about theme. A lot of these PSSA blasts are about theme. It's something that you see a lot on the actual PSSA, so that's why we're going over it so many times. So the question is, what is the theme of the passage? We need 2 details to support. So I have up here 4 numbers, so we're just going to fill in how we're going to organize this response. So what do we put first? So the question is, what is the theme of the passage? What goes first? Hands, please. First thing that you want to do in your response. Yeah.
Introduction.
So what do you do? It's theme. So what do we write?
You trying to what's the name?
And then how do you do that for a theme question? What's that?
God.
No, you don't.
You haven't.
You have to indent. But what about the actual words that you're
Oh, you turn
saying?
the question to an open statement.
How do you do that?
Yeah.
The theme of the passage.
Thank you. The theme of the passage is good. So, we're getting there. The theme of the passage is, and then what about second? So we answered the question, and then what do you do? Yeah.
One example to show the theme is.
Good. One example to show the theme is, that is perfect. Okay, so we have our one example. How many do we need for this one?
2.
Only 2. So then what do you do next, Fahim? One example is, so then you give that example. What about after you give your first example? Yeah, so you explain it, good, and then another example is?
In conclude.
And then what?
In conclusion.
In conclusion.
Damn.
So each time that you give one of these examples, what do you want to do after you give that example section? Explain it. So one example to show the theme is, this proves that the theme is that you shouldn't judge a situation until you know more about it. Because look at what we thought and look what actually happened. You want to give an explanation in your own words. Make sense? Alright. So, I'm going to pass these out. This one is a story.